My name is Manuel Gonzales. I'm a writer from the United States. Slovenia has been amazing. It's been beautiful. We thought we had it all being here in Kamniku at the base of the Alps, and then today we drove to Piran, and it's gorgeous Mediterranean vistas at Adriatic Sea and beautiful people and great food. It's been a wonderful experience. I have had some interesting ideas, stories that I now want to write that I feel like might take place in Slovenia, like stories of the science fiction future where like everybody has moved to Slovenia because it's the best, kind of. So it's been a lovely trip that's given me a lot to think about in terms of my own writing and my own work.
My name is Jesse Burke, and I am an American photographer. Actually, I've had the fortune to be very adventurous while I was visiting Slovenia, and we did almost everything one would want to do when visiting the country in a very short period of time, which is one of the benefits of coming to such a small country, is that you can actually see many things. And we were blown away with the vast beauty and difference of the landscapes that we explored.
Slovenia in one sentence. Not just Europe's, but the world's small hidden gem.